Understanding plumbing systems is clutch for keeping your home running smooth and avoiding those nasty, expensive surprises. So let's talk about all the stuff you actually need to know about pipes, drains, and water flow, So first up, you gotta know where your main water shutoff valve is like. For real. Find it right now if you don't know already, because that's gonna save your butt if a pipe bursts. I always tell people, check under sinks and around toilets for small leaks or drips. Those can turn into a big mess fast if you ignore them. Pay attention to what goes down your drains, like grease and coffee grounds are a big nope. They're the worst for causing clogs. If you're noticing your shower or sink draining way slower than normal, try a simple mix of baking soda and vinegar before you reach for heavy-duty chemicals, which can be rough on your system. Also, insulation around pipes in cold spots is a must. Nobody wants to deal with frozen pipes when winter hits. I'm all about using those mesh drain screens to catch hair or food bits. They're cheap and they keep your pipes happier. Water pressure matters too. If it's super high, it might feel awesome in the shower, but can really stress out your pipes over time. So grab a gauge and make sure it's not cranked up crazy high. And honestly, if you ever smell something funky or see water stains on the ceiling or walls, don't just hope it'll go away. Call someone before it gets worse, because that could be a sign of a hidden leak or busted pipe. One of the most common plumbing mistakes people make is flushing random stuff down the toilet, thinking it'll just disappear. Wipes, feminine products, and even certain flushable items can mess up your plumbing and cause blockages, so just keep it to toilet paper only. Another rookie move is ignoring slow drains or minor leaks until they become a full-on disaster. I always say, tackle those issues as soon as you spot them to save cash and headaches later. A lot of folks also crank up the water pressure, thinking it's better for showers or washing dishes, but that can put serious strain on your pipes and lead to leaks or burst fittings. Just keep the pressure at normal levels and your system will thank you. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to hookup if you're trying to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff with plumbing systems and everything home-related. If you're a contractor looking for legit jobs, instead of wasting time chasing leads that go nowhere, this site helps you get in front of real homeowners who actually need your skills.